Once again, most welcome student on my channel Light of Asia. We will continue to the discussion of the syllabus of the University Allahabad. So today we will discuss the botany paper third. Let's begin. Botany paper third paper we will discuss today. Botany paper third have 3 units. Unit first, paleobotany and planology. You know paleobotany. What is the paleobotany? Paleobotany is a fossils. It means study of fossils. It means in Hindi पुरा पादप विज्ञान. और पादपश्म विज्ञान. So, under this unit, we will study different types, method, fossilization, etc., etc. under this. Planology. Planology means in Hindi, meaning in Hindi, पराग अणु विज्ञान. How to missing the pollen and why the plants are becoming fossils. Mostly plants became fossils. Why? Maybe due to the missing of pollen grain. How to missing of the pollen grain? Such type study and methods and etc. is under this topic, planology. So, unit first, it means under the paleobotany and planology, we will discuss an elementary knowledge of paleobotany. You know about, very easy. You know mostly about the what is the elementary knowledge of the paleobotany. It will be very easy. Next one is geological era. What is the meaning of era? Era is a long period. When we will spend a very long period, such long period have a different type of the generation. It means one era and second era is mostly different, have animal, different have plants, mostly dissimilar. So, geological era is related to earth positioning. Maybe hills area plants have a very long and maybe plate area have a short, plain area have green plants mostly. So, geological era may be under this. According to geological era, sometimes plant is also the unsurvived due to the geological condition. So next, process of fossilization. It means it means how many process. What is the process of fossilization? Plants become fossils. So many fossilizations due to the plant dumping under the stones and mostly the soils, etc. Next one topic is types of fossils, methods of studies. It means how to study about the fossil methods. The fossil methods like a carbon dating and like a stone printing, etc. So next topic, form, genera and reconstructions of fossils plant. This topic says that how to generate the genera. It means form the genera. Some genera with all species became fossils, but sometime in rarest, maybe few genera occupy anywhere. How to survive genera in this favorable and unfavorable condition? This is the says. Next, reconstructions of fossils plant. Mostly pteridophytes become the fossils. Rhynia, a generalized Rhynia became the fossils. So, how to reconstruct, how to remake, how to replanting, how to the growth of the fossil plants. Maybe a rarest plant alive, from this live plants we develop more fossil plants. Such fossil plants became alive and fossilizations became reduced. So, unit first of the paper, third is the end. Next topic is an elementary knowledge of planology. We before discuss about the planology, but once again we discuss the about what is the meaning of planology. Planology means parag adu vigyan. Parag anu vigyan, it means the studies of pollen grains. So under this topic we study how to pollen grain missing. Due to the missing, generation become stopped. By this reason, plants become fossils, because generation did not propagate to the next generation due to the missing of the pollen grain. So therefore, plant become died. So unit first completed. Once again, most welcome in unit second. So unit second have topic plant diversification. What is the meaning of the diversification? Meaning in Hindi is विविधीकरण. Unit second have plant diversification. What is the meaning of diversification in Hindi is vividhata. और विविधीकरण. First topic is evolutionary trends origin. What is the trends of origin? It is a very easy, simply we know about the in paper second when we will discuss. If you can't see the paper second discussion, don't see the paper third. Please, you go to paper second discussion, you see completely, and then comes on this paper third. So, what is the trend? Trend is aquatic. Tick to terrestrial. It means algae and bryophyta and pteridophyta and gymnosperm angiosperm. Such plant mostly terrestrial and algae completely aquatic. Bryophyta is also the known as amphibian. Plant. Due to the some behavior shows as terrestrial and some behavior shows as aquatic. While pteridophyta, some plants like equisetum, some plant shows aquatic character and maximum shows terrestrial. Such evolution trend, it means aquatic evolution of the plant reach up to the completely terrestrial. So detail after the end. So unit second is a very small, so it will discussion is very short. So unit second is once again unit third. टॉपिक है मॉर्फोजेनेसिस एंड टिश्यू कल्चर. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ मॉर्फोजेनेसिस इन हिंदी इज संरचना विकास. And tissue culture, what is the meaning of tissue culture in Hindi is ऊतक संवर्धन. So under both topic have some small topics. Unit second have first topic, phenomenon of the morphogenesis. What is the process? What is the phenomenon? What is the event? What is the changes? Under this topic we will study. Next topic, an elementary knowledge of polarity, symmetry. What is the polarity? Sometimes plant tissues arrangement to the given the structure of the plant, whole plant, mostly plant cell and mitochondria is here, and protoplast is also the here, and other so component maximized to the here. So cell become polarity because here polar 1 and here polar 2. Such polarity due to during the structure and contribute to the shape, or due to the constructions of the shape of the plant body. So cell become polarized. Now polarity meaning in Hindi is ध्रुवीकरण. Next one, symmetry. Symmetry meaning in Hindi is the सममितता. Symmetry in plants flower have mostly seen. How any flowers have symmetry structure? How to symmetry structure? Because if such type of flowering half and half, such half is equal to this such half, it means mirror image. When the mirror image occupy is known as the symmetry. Mostly plants. Symmetry is also how such type also symmetry, a triangle symmetry. So many flowers of the plants have a symmetric character. It is the very special and specific structure of the flower. Next topic is cellular and tissue differentiation. How to cellular and tissue differentiation become and occupy in the cell and in the plant body. So mostly tissue differentiate to the development of the tissues and development of the whole plants. So actual tissues differentiation occupy in apical notch of the plant. Next topic, protoplast fusion. It is the special and specific character of the plant cell. Sometimes due any reason for the unfavorable condition and favorable condition due to the needs of the plants developing and plants growth etc. Protoplast of the cell is become fused. How to fused? Sometime intracellular, sometime intercellular. So protoplast such plant cell, it is here protoplast. Sometimes mostly protoplast accumulate one side and second one accumulate protoplast here, because here is dense of the protoplast. Such protoplast fuse each other, so developing of the new cells and developing of the plants, etc. So many reasons, so more detail discussed due to the teaching of the topics. So sometimes intercellular protoplast fusion, sometimes cell wall become ruptured here, the protoplast one cell mix with protoplast of the another cell. Such condition is also the intercellular and intracellular. Such type of fusions due to the unfavorable condition and favorable condition, so according to needs of the developing of the plant and ripening of the plants and growth of the plant and thickness of the plants, etc. Last topic of the unit 3rd is methodology and application of tissue culture. So many methods of the tissue culture and application is mostly tissue culture. Most tissue need to the plant healing, plant cutting and plant changing to hybridization, etc. and methods used to tissue cultures. So paper, botany paper 3rd of the BSc 3rd year is completed along with complete